Hello everyone! Happy August 17th. Today we celebrate creative crafts, thoughtful communication, and summer relaxation. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Thrift Shop Day. A day to hunt for treasures and shop sustainably. A perfect gift could be a vintage find, a thrift store gift card, or a handmade upcycled creation. Did you found a hidden gem lately? Share your score in the comments. Next, it's National Black Cat Appreciation Day. A celebration of mystical and misunderstood pets. A thoughtful gift could be a black cat plushie, a themed calendar, or a donation to an animal shelter. Got a spooky sweet feline? Show them off in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National I Love My Feet Day. A reminder to pamper the ones that carry you. A great gift could be a foot soak kit, cozy slippers, or a massage session. What's your favorite way to relax and recharge? Let us know below. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for September 21st to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!